Hello everyone. On this video session, we'll proceed to the next topic, that is dimensions of business environment. The dimensions of business environment consist of so many factors like economical, social, technological, political and legal conditions which are considered relevant for decision making and improving the performance of an enterprise. So these all factors are very important for the improvement of the performance of an enterprises. So these all elements will affect to the business for making a decisions. The first dimensions of business environment is economic environment. The interest rate, inflation rate, change in the disposable income of people, stock market indices, and the value of rupees are some of the economic factors that can affect the management practices in a business enterprises. For example, sudden change in the interest rate by the government of India, so that will be give a more impact on the businesses because they are taking some loans from the other institutions. So a sudden change in the interest rate, if it is high, it will affect more on the businesses. If it is low, they will save the money for the working capital. So in that manner, these kinds of the factors, that economic factors which will influence the business for conducting a activities. Short and long term interest rates significantly affect the demand for product and the services. Short run and the long run, the interest rates that will affect on the demand for the product and the services. So, for example, in case of construction companies and the automobile manufacturers, low longer term rates are beneficial because they result in increased spendings by consumers for buying the homes and cars on borrowing borrowed money. So a low rate of interest will be encourage these companies to encourage the customers to buy their particular product, that home or any cars. So that will give a more impact on the consumers to buy the product. Next dimension of business environment is social environment. The social environment of business includes the social forces like customs and traditions, values, social trends, society's expectations from the business, etc. So the social environment is consist of these all factors. A sudden change in the traditions and the customs, and sudden change in the value of the customers and social trends will impact on the business environment. The traditions. Let us understand these factors in depth. The traditions refers to the social practices that have lasted for the decades or even centuries. For example, the celebration of Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Guru Parva in India provides a significant financial opportunities for get greeting cards. So greeting cards companies can earn more during these kinds of the festivals, and also they can the sweet, that bakeries, so the bakeries and those who are selling the sweets, they can earn more. They can grab this opportunity as a festivals and everything. In that occasions they can earn the more profit. So these kinds of the traditions will be very impact on the businesses to run their business. Next one, that is value. So values refers to the concept that the society holds in high esteem. In India, individual freedom, social justice, quality of opportunities and national integrations, national integrations and are the examples of the major value cherished by all of us. So India is rich of these all the values because it is always look into the valuable things. So it will be says that the India is look into too much of individual freedom, and here everybody should get a justice, that is social justice and equality in terms of opportunities. So impulse of the opportunities, that it has to satisfy the both the categories. So like the both the group of the people like men and women. And also national integrations also an example for the value. So, freedom of choice in the market, businesses' responsibility towards the society, and non discriminations employment practices. So, these are the examples of the values. So, freedom of choice in the market. So, you cannot force anybody to buy the product, or you cannot force anybody to be use these kinds of the brand. Okay, so here it is based on the customer's value, what kind of the brand they want to purchase. So it is left to them. And also the business responsibility towards the society. So business has to give some value to the customers, because customers are the king of the market. So here business responsibility is to take care of the interest, that is needs and wants of the customers. So all the businesses are related to the customer oriented rather than the market oriented. And non-discrimination employment practices. So business has to provide a same opportunities for the men and the women. So employment opportunity should be given equally and treated equally among the workers. Social trends. This presents the various opportunities and threats to business enterprises. For example, health and fitness trends has been become more popular among large number of the urban dwellers, that is people. This has created a demand for products like organic food, gym, bottled, that is mineral water, and food supplements. So social trend is like what the people are moving towards, a new innovation and the creativity. So they will give the more importance. Suppose the advertisement is too much attractive related to the social trends, everybody will look into that side. Okay, so for example, suppose a health and a fitness is more, I can say giving more importance for the health and the fitness, definitely people will very conscious about their what kind of the product they were using. So they will be look into the organic product, that is eco-friendly, and also you can call it as a all product which is not contains with the chemicals. And they will look into the fitness for the gym. So immediately gym, the businesses will be getting too much of the opportunities. And mineral water, so they will look every time to drink a mineral water to maintain their health. And also some food supplements. The third environment, that is dimension of the environment, is technological environment. So the technological environment includes the forces related to the scientific improvement and the innovations which provide a new way of producing goods and services, and new methods and techniques of operating a business. So technology, you can understand what kind of the machineries they were using, and what kind of the machines they were using to operate the business in a better way, to provide the good services to the customers, what kind of the technology they are using. So these all matters in the business. So you must have a strong force relating to the scientific improvement and the innovation. And also you find a new way of producing a good quality of the goods and services, where you can satisfy the customers on the quality basis. And also a new methods, which is easiest method and the cheapest method to achieve your organization goal. So these techniques are used to operate a business. So it is based on the competitors. Suppose the competitors are using these kinds of the strategies to provide a good kind of the services to the customers, of course your business has to develop the same strategy to satisfy the customers. So that will impact huge manner to the businesses. For example, the recent technological advances in the computers and electronics have modified the way in business which companies advertise their product. So here basically a new methodology, that is they were using some technology to attract the customers, and also they were using some advanced computers and the electronic modes to conduct the business and satisfy all the customers in all the places. So these will help the businesses, sorry, these will be impact on the businesses to be innovative in their sector. There are some example. It is common new to see the computerized information that Cisco's and the World Wide Web multimedia pages highlighting the virtues of the product. So this one like Cisco's, you can understand where you can put the order with a product which is not available on the online offline basis, so that you can purchase through the online, where you can in the particular retail store only you can put the order of that company. So similarly they will maintain the websites, and also they will maintain the app, so you can buy the any kinds of the product which is not available offline, that you can order from the online. So in that manner they are adopting these kinds of the technology. Next, and the one of the important, that is political environment. So political environment includes the political conditions such as the general stability and peace in the country, and specific attitudes that elected government represents and hold towards the business. So political conditions also give the more impact on the businesses. So this dimension is very important because every 5 years the ruling party will change. So you have to adopt a new strategies and new methods what they will introduce. So politic conditions, if it is stable and the peace in the country, if they are maintaining a peaceful in the country, so easily you can success your business by providing all the services and reaching all the countries and conducting the businesses. And also the elected government party, what kind of the thought he or she will be having towards the business also matters for the businesses. So the political instability can shake the confidence of the businesses. Similarly, the attitude of government offices, that officials towards the business may have either positive or negative impact upon the business. So suppose the attitude of the government officials is totally negative, so definitely you cannot reach your organizational goals. But if it is a positive way, definitely they will introduce some schemes and some strategies to give the more importance for the industries and the business. For example, the nature of the relationship of our country with the foreign country. So this examples will very implemented on the business which are conducting a export or import business. Suppose if you are involving in a export and import business, a country should maintain a good relation with the other country, then only you can enter into their country and sell the product. Otherwise it would be very difficult for the businesses to conduct the foreign business or international business. Next one, legal environment. The legal environment includes of various legislative legislations passed by the government administrative, various commissions and the agencies at every level of the government, central, state or local. So the legal environment is consist of some legislative rules and regulations which is formed by the central government or state government or any local body. In India, constitutional provisions like Companies Act 2013, Industrial Act 1951, Foreign Exchange Management Act and the Import and Exports Controls Act, that is 19 47, Factories Act 1948, Trade Union Act 1926, Workers Compensation Act 1923, Industrial Dispute Act 1947, Consumer Protection Act 1986, and Competition Act 2002. So these provisions will deal with each factors, what purpose they are existing, what purpose this act has been formed. So they have to protect the interest of each and every consumers and the business. So these will be act as a middleman between business and the society. For example, the advertisement of alcoholic beverages is prohibited. So no businesses that who are producing the alcohols, they should not encourage the consumers to buy that alcohols. So they should not give a advertisement. Next comes that is advertisements includes the packets of the cigarette to carry the statutory warning that cigarette smoking is injurious to health. So this is a made rules by the advertisement act under the Companies Act. Suppose if you are providing a any kinds of the advertisement which is harming that product, which is harming to the person or consumer's health, you have to give us some statutory warnings to on the pack of the product. So same thing is explained here. A cigarette will be not good for the health, so for that reason they will provide the instruction, that warning, not instruction at all, that warning they will provide. So cigarette smoking is very injurious to health. So this is a duty of the manufacturers to provide, and it is a responsibility of the consumers to look and leave these kinds of the product. So this completes the uh, dimensions of business environment. Very important topic for the exam point of view. It will be asked for the 8 marks, where you have to explain all 5 dimensions of the business environment along with the examples. Thank you.